Hi, if Maria Menounos is watching this, I'm sure you are. Journal is not a verb. Thank you very much. Oh, for fuck's sake, dude. Come on. Don't run it, don't run it, don't run it! Pay attention to me. Clean off your car, you shithead. What the hell are you doing? Yeah, that made all the difference in the world. Down a sidewalk. Clean off your damn car, you dumbass. Right? Right? Toyota. Camroid. Christ. Clean off your car. And not like that. Clean up your car. Clean up your goddamn car. What? Okay. Left turn regret. It's not raining, it's not snowing. You can shut your rear wiper off, dum-dum.
Much later.
Is there a problem, dude? His wiper's still on, many miles later. Hey, new way home. I had to find what the heck? What the heck? Yeah, catch my eye. Don't cut him off, Toyota. Opportunity. Oh, wait. Ew! You freaking moron! Slow the fuck down. Slow the fuck down. Dude, 25. Jesus Christ. Scumbag. Stop! The Hyundai's not gonna stop. God damn, I'm right again. You sort of rolled it. And you're not gonna stop again. Of course not. Oh, it's a mass hole. It's a mass hole. It's a mass hole. Go. 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 That was a cutoff, Mr. FedEx. You're in the red. That's the turn lane, dude. What is this stop? Oh, God. I don't think he stopped. Ow. You didn't stop. You didn't stop. You didn't stop. Don't pull out in front of me. Do not pull out in front of me. Watch both directions, stupid. Retard. What the hell is going on back there? Asshole left. Dude, you wanna move your tits? Let's go. That's a no passing zone. Thank you. Being nice. Fuck you. Tell you, turd. On the whatever the fuck you are.